Hello, so in this video I will explain how content library works in FormIt application. So content library is below the level tool, and content library has some basic samples of Revit families. These Revit families was converted in FormIt geometry, and I can nicely select them and put in my project. If I click space, I can rotate it around my axis and I can place chairs in my project. Also, from the menu, drop down menu, I can select different size objects. And after I export all this project in Revit, these families which was created and converted from Revit will be recognized and will be converted back to Revit families. If you create your own family object, it will probably not be converted in Revit families, so in this case you need to do some additional steps to get your furniture as Revit object. Also, a lot of Revit family objects can be converted into FormIt families. Inside Revit, we have special tools to convert Revit families to FormIt families. And you can create a nice family library and use plus and add additional locations for these families. Also, you can import additional objects from internet. And these are the formats which are supported. So STL, OBJ file format, AXM, so FormIt file formats, JPG, PNG, so it's image file formats. And if you activate or use desktop version, you can also import SketchUp file objects inside your project. So in our class, we will not use basic furniture objects from Revit. In our class, our task is to create furniture objects by ourselves. So as a reference and as an example, you can place it and you can use drawing tools and create similar objects by yourself. Thank you.